About to become the first city in Southeast to have steady electricity. This one is a welcome development. And Alex Oti, the governor of Abia State, don promise say im go make sure that Aba become another giant hub of trading in Africa, especially in Southeast. Things are really happening. This one is a very good idea. We have called the governor of Abia State, which is Governor Sir Alex Oti, many times in this platform, and we congratulate you for the good work you'll be doing for Abia State people. God will bless you, sir. Any Igbo governor who say, I don't want to do boy for the northerners, instead will be more beautiful. That is the reason why Rochas did not smell the presidential seat, because Rochas choose to build Owerri. No matter that what is it called, Hope Uzodinma come and destroy all those structures that Hope Rochas put in Owerri and do his own ways. Once you choose to serve your own people, the northerners will not be happy with you. So Abia State, the governor of Abia State is doing great. From Monday, Abia State is going to be having steady light, especially in Aba. Everything has beginning. A lot of people are saying, why is it that? But everything has beginning. Abia State, Aba is going to be having steady light from tomorrow because of the industrial session that we'll have in Aba. I want the governors in Southeast to learn from this thing that the governor of Abia State are doing. What we need is development in Southeast. What we need is what we experience our blood for us to have it in our own home as well. Igbos can do it. So my people, I'm going to play this video. May you hear from this our brother how and what is going to take place in Aba. In case of if you're looking for where to relocate now or to invest, Aba is there to be number one. Let us see the great work that Alex Oti is doing in Aba to bring a steady electricity. The road has been done. Everything is moving. So let us watch and we're going to come back and continue. Yeah, my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Let's quickly jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today. No time to waste. Watch this video before we come back and continue.
This is Aba, the commercial capital of Abia State, Southeast Nigeria. Yes, popularly known as the Japan of Africa, Aba is the industrial and manufacturing powerhouse of Nigeria. Aba, which of course is one of the most beautiful cities in the whole of Nigeria, with the best kinds of road network and town planning, Aba is not just the industrial powerhouse of Nigeria, but also the industrial headquarters of the entire West African region. Yes, a visit to Aba will convince you that so many other countries travel down to Aba to buy the local made products that is being dished out from the city of Aba. You must be wondering where the word Aba made come from. Yes, popularly known for their craftsmanship with a very high rate of manufacturing skill, the people of Aba has placed Aba in the global map and made Aba a choice destination for global investors, as several people from different parts of the world are trooping down to the city for investments. Yes, more is even to be unleashed in few hours' time, as Aba is set to become the first metropolis city in the whole of Nigeria with constant power supply. This is going to give enabling environment and also give the investors confidence and also the reasons to even put their money down, knowing fully well that this particular social amenity is taken care of. Aba, which has a population of over 3 million people, is the safest city in Nigeria today to live work, invest, and do business. One of the most viable cities to live today is Aba, considering the commercial and economic viability of the city. It is not to be argued that Aba today is the best choice destination for any investor that wishes to have a very massive return on investment, as several people from different parts of the world travel down to this city to purchase their goods and export to their own country. Just like China, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Turkey, Aba is set to become one of the major markets for global textile and garment products. Shoes, bags, any kinds of leather products. Aba is also set to compete in the global industrial and manufacturing industry. The Enyimba city is the elephant that is leading Nigeria to the global stage of industrialization. Just for you to know that Aba is one of the best cities for investment. This is the geometric power plant that will be unleashed in a few hours' time, that is going to put Aba in the global map as the only city in Nigeria with a constant power supply. This is an investment worth over $800 million, which is the biggest investment in the entire Southeast region. This makes Aba to become one of the biggest cities in Nigeria for anybody to reside. Not just the biggest, but the best city for anybody to reside, live, do business. In fact, it's going to make Aba the only city in Nigeria that can boast of becoming the most economically and commercial viable city in terms of stability. Yes, the geometric power plant is powered by the Geometric Power Group, led by Professor Bat Nnaji, a former Minister of Power and, of course, an academic engineer. These projects, as you can see, will be unleashed just in a few hours' time. At Aba, we have constant power supply. It is time to take advantage of this great opportunity. Now, let me tell you what you need to know. Aba is one of the most powerful cities in the whole of Nigeria. Not just Nigeria, but in the whole of Africa. You can see it for yourself. These are realities. Aba also have one very beautiful place called the Aba Gulf City. It is the best place that you want to be. You can see, just like what you see in other countries, Aba has it, live and direct. And several international investors always want to find their way to this Gulf City to go and have a good time for themselves. Aba, which recently became a construction site since the new administration of Governor Alex Otti, has taken over from Lagos State and other states in Nigeria that wants to brag about becoming the economic champion of Nigeria. In fact, the market you're looking at here is the Ariaria International Market, which stands out today to be the most modern market ever built on the soil of Nigeria. The Ariaria International Market is the only market in Nigeria to boast of a lift, a market in an open place, open trade zone with a lift. It is unbelievable, unimaginable, and almost unacceptable to those who think it is not possible. But I can tell you today it is becoming a reality. By the right hand side is the former Ariaria market, and by the left hand side is the new Ariaria International Market. You don't want to agree that Aba is going to take over from the whole of any other market that may want to contend on this field of economic viability. In addition to the electricity that is coming in place, Aba will take over from every corner of ramification in terms of economic activities. The capacity is going to be overwhelming and everybody will start moving down to Aba. As a matter of fact, the electricity that is being unleashed tomorrow is said to be just the phase 1, which means Aba is preparing for the massive troop of people coming into the city. And this is a good language to tell you that phase 2 of that geometric power plant is coming. And just because I forget, that power plant is powered by natural gas that is also found on the soil of Abia State, which means there is nothing like there is too much flood, we can no longer power. Nigeria has enough gas on the ground. As a matter of fact, one of the largest.
Yeah, my wonderful people, ndị homa na adị mma, share this video. Ọ bụ na homa na adị gị mma. If you love good things, share this video. Very, very important for us to share this video. It's a high time that we'll start promoting our own. We'll be bringing the things that Abia State is doing to this platform. And I've said it very clearly. If you are doing anything that you want us to talk about, we are going to talk about it freely. We are going to show it here freely, but we are not into brand, no. But anything that you are working with your hand, you are doing with your handwork, you want the world to see, coming from Southeast or any part of the world, I want us to bring it here, bring it to us. We are going to bring it out for the world to see your handwork. My people, no be smart, you know, this one a very good development to Aba. Let tomorrow be a great day. Coming to Abia State, this is what we need, because if we have steady light, I know that people like us who, because of this thing today, we are not into the lines of the things that God bless us with, because everybody have calling, everybody have talent. With the steady light, a lot of good things is going to come outside from Southeast. So God bless the governor of Abia State, Governor Alex Oti. If you are doing your good work, we are not going to be bringing it up for bad news, no. But if you are doing a good work, the people will love you. Give people light, they will pay. That's the way it is in our blood. You off your light when you want to off your light. Hence, you are paying your bills. If you are not paying your bills, they will notify you. They are going to take off your light. So if you don't pay, then they will not take your light. You have to go and pay to have light. So if you say there's no light, it means there's no light in your own house, not outside. That is a steady light. So that is how it's supposed to be. So that people can be able to create. People can be able to use the ultra-modern machines to create things and build things they want to build. This is how development, this is how civilization, this is how things began to work for the society. So my people, share this video. We'll see you for the next update as it is hot.